Dropshipping is a business model that allows you to capitalize on low-cost products that you can get from platforms like AliExpress and then sell them into countries like USA, Canada, and all those high-net-worth countries where people are expecting to pay more for these same products that actually you can get for a cheaper price on platforms like AliExpress. So in this video, we're going to be breaking down how you can actually get started reselling these products to these high-net-worth countries from wherever you are. Even if you're in those countries, you can still do this business, right? So if you're in the USA, you can still ship these products from AliExpress here, which is based in China, but they actually produce some high quality products here. So we're going to be showing you where to get your links, where to get your products and so forth, so that you can drop ship with the high quality products only. But when you try to build a brand, we're using the model that we're going to be showing you how to start your drop shipping for free. With this model, you're going to be building your own brand. So basically you want your customers to be happy and satisfied with the product that you are selling them, right? So we're going to be showing you exactly how to do that, where to get your product ideas and how to get started for free, right? How to build your store for free, how to do the marketing for free. No payments whatsoever is going to be included in this method, right? So if you're interested in knowing how you can get started drop shipping right now for free, no matter where you are, and basically the reason why we're bringing this video to you is that we are heading to the end of the second quarter, and basically in the third and fourth quarter, that is when these sales go crazy high with the likes of Black Friday and Cyber Monday that is coming up in the next few months, right? So right now is the best time to start your own drop shipping store, so that you can start getting some customers testing products that you know that these are working, so that when that time comes, you basically have a working product, you have a store that is working, that is converting. So when that time comes, it's all about scaling and making the most out of it, right? So this is why we're bringing this video to you right now. So if you're interested in knowing how you can get started today, right now, make sure that you stay tuned all the way to the end as we break it down for you right now, right? Let's get straight into it. Welcome back to Day and Night Forex YouTube channel. On this channel, we share different ways to make money online, be it from forex trading, investing your money, and right now we are going to be talking about how to start your own dropshipping business, right? And basically, dropshipping is a business model whereby you are selling products from a country like China, and then you're selling to anyone, anywhere in the world through online platforms, right? So basically, you create your own online store, you list those products. You don't have to buy inventory. That is the best part about dropshipping, right? So you only buy the product when you have a customer, when you've been given cash from your customer. Use that money that you receive from your customer, then you go fulfill that product, and then you have it shipped to them, right? So that is basically the basics of dropshipping, how it works. So basically, there's no upfront fees for you. All you have to do is to list your product on your own store, and then get a client to buy, and then when they give you that money, you use that money to go get the product and have it shipped to their address, right? Right now, we're going to be showing you how you can actually do all these for free without having a single cent, right? So the first thing that you need when it comes to drop shipping is basically to have a product, right? So you need to do your product research and understand what product is working, and then once you have that product that is working, then you build your own online store, and then after building that online store, the last thing will be to get clients, right? So you have to do some marketing, and we're going to be showing you the top 3 platforms that you can use right now to get the most clients for free, right, without paying a single cent, right? So we're going to be diving into that later in this video. So the first thing, this is the platform that we use to basically get our products, and then once you get your sell on your store, you basically come here, and then maybe you're selling this power bank over here. So when you list this power bank, as you can see, it has all the products, images, and everything that you may need to use on your store, right? Even the descriptions and so forth, right? So as you can see, high quality images, everything is basically just here on AliExpress, right? So if you find a product that you want to sell, you can basically just make use of all these descriptions, all these pictures over here to basically spread the word about your product, right? As you can see, they also have videos on some of these products, which is even great for the platform that we're going to be sharing with you, which you're going to be building your brand around, right? So basically, when it comes to drop shipping, you can either have what we call one product drop shipping store, or you can have a general store, right? So a general store is whereby you have a bunch of relatable products, right? So maybe if you're selling power banks, you could also sell chargers, you could also sell some unique phone cases that people cannot find just anyway. So all those different products that have to do with a category that you're selling in, right? So that we call a general store. And then we have one product drop shipping, right? So this is when your main focus is just on this product that you are selling at the moment, right? So everything that your store, this is the only product that will be on your store, and basically this helps you to build a brand around that product, right? So you're just known for selling a power bank that is powerful, that is useful, and people just, when they think of buying a power bank, they should think of you. They should think of your brand when it comes to that, right? So that is what we try to build with a one product dropshipping store, and basically just branding this product that you're finding on AliExpress, right? And the best part is that once you start building momentum and you start getting sales, you can actually reach out to these sellers and let them know that you want to have your own brand printed on these power banks, right? Right now, maybe it could be printed this name as a brand for this on this power banks, but you can actually have it replaced with your own brand name that you're building, and that's basically you now sort of own this product, right? So we're actually having a video that we're going to talk about the different types of dropshipping styles that you can do, and we're going to talk about private labeling in the next video. It's basically taking over someone's products and making it your own with your own brand, right? So that is another video that you should turn on notifications and subscribe to the channel for. It's actually coming out very, very soon. Make sure that you have your notifications turned on, because you definitely don't want to miss that video. We're going to be bringing down those different types of dropshipping that you can actually start right now, right? So anyways, to carry on, once you find your product, you list in these platforms to create your brand, and then basically you drive the traffic to your online store, right? So once a person buys that product, you are getting it for something up to 317 rand over here per product. Depending on the colors, that do depend on the price as well. So let's say the maximum that you are seeing over here is 317 rand. So let's just say 320 rands, and then you go list it for maybe 900, 1,000 rands on your store, or even more than 1,000 rands, right? It just depends on how much power banks are going for that have this capacity over here. Once you figure out what the price is, you make sure that it is at least 2 times the price of this product so that you'll be profitable, right? So, and remember, as we said, you're not going to be having any marketing expenses in this way that we're teaching you. Basically, it's called organic dropshipping, right? So you're just focusing on organic reach, traffic, so 0 expenses. The only expenses that you have here is when you take your money to go fulfill the products on AliExpress. That is the only expenses that we'll be looking at, right? So now, to create your own online store for free, we actually have these interesting platforms over here. So basically, the first one is the famous Shopify, right? So as you know, this one, you actually get 14-day free trial to build your store, and this is actually by far the best platform to use. But obviously, after that 14 days, you then have to start paying on a monthly fee, right? Though it's not much, it's about $30 a month, as you can see over there. It's not a lot. So if in those 14 days you actually start making some profits, this would not be a problem, right? This would not be a problem if your business is actually off in that 14 days. If it's not, then all you can do is just to export your store and then start another free trial after those 14 days, and then just import your stores from the previous store that you created, right? And then just continue from there, right, until you are more comfortable in paying these fees. And then the second best platform would be this platform over here called Equid, right? So this actually gets started for free without paying a single cent and set up your own store, amazing store online. Though they do have some upgraded plans if you want to take your business to the next level, but right from the start, all you need to get started and start selling is actually for free, right? So you can do it for free, and it's basically in competition with the WooCommerce. WooCommerce is a plugin that you can get for WordPress if you want to build your own online store using WordPress, right? So this is the best one that we've found that you can actually jump onto and start getting your store up and running, right? And then recently, Wix.com actually launched this print on demand dropshipping model, right? So this one, as we said, there's a video that we're going to be talking about these different types of dropshipping. This will allow you to also sell your products using print on demand services, right? So, but at the same time, you can also list your actual products on the store and then just follow the same suit that you do with the other platforms, right? So with Wix here, you can actually start doing that for free, though this one will have watermarks all over your store. So basically, the best option will be either Shopify or Equid, or you can also go for WordPress if you want to take things to the next level, right? But WordPress will require you to have more knowledge on how to set up a website, right? So the best platforms, Shopify, Equid, or Wix, right? So those are the platforms that you can go start building your online store and then start driving traffic to those stores, right? So now when it comes to marketing, which is the most important part of this business, right? So if you got your business up and set up already, the final thing is to get those traffic, right? So remember what we spoke about, this platform is actually giving you video content that you can actually use to market your products. Like right here, we have this video over here that you can actually download. As you can see, this is amazing product video. It sells itself because it's just amazing video content that you can remix and make different videos from it and basically upload on this social media platform that we're about to talk about right now, right? So as you can see, it's an amazing video that you can actually download the video and then save it on your PC or on your phone, and then you get started pushing it on these platforms, right? So for example, before we actually get deeper into the marketing side of things, this is actually one of the top Instagram accounts that we recommend you to follow and keep up to date with. Basically they're doing this same model, right? So with them, it's just a general store. They have where to buy this, so they find this unique product that people are interested in, and then they basically create a product on their store, right? They add it to their store and then people can come through and buy, right? As you can see, some of these unique products, right, that are just insane, right? So you can come through and then just see what they have here, what are they selling, and basically you can also copy the same product, right, and then just put your own tune to it, see how they are selling and so forth. So you can check out their store with a link in the bio and then just see what they are doing, how they're doing it, right? So with your own store, you'll be creating a brand, right? So you're creating a brand around those power bank chargers or iPhone cases, whatever the case may be. So once you find that product, and then you're just finding some reels, you're finding pictures to post, and then that's how basically you'll be able to grow your business, right? You're sharing some reels, sharing with those hashtags and so forth. So that's the first way to get your clients using Instagram. Instagram is by far the best way to actually start drop shipping for free. We're using organic reach, right? Since you'll be already creating videos to share on one platform, why not share it on 2 more other platforms where your content can also go very, very far, right? So that will be YouTube Shorts, which allows you to post these short videos, and they also go very, very viral on here. As you can see, in just 14 hours, this person got 22k views, right? So in the description of these shorts, you basically have a link to your product store where people will be able to go check out the product that you are advertising in your shorts, and basically, just make some funny content that is engaging for these platforms, and then people will be more than interested to actually go and see what your product you are selling. And basically that is a second way to actually market, right? So the videos that we've created for Instagram, just share it on shorts on YouTube as well, and reach even more people on that product using the same videos, right? Using the same content, right? So that is a second way to market your products for free without any ad spend. You just simply need to sign up for a free Gmail account and then create your YouTube channel where you'll be sharing these shorts, right? So, and then the last but not least is obviously TikTok, right? So again, the same content that you have shared on Instagram, that you have shared on YouTube, you can share the same videos over here. And as you can see, I just searched for iPhone cases over here, and as you can see, there's different tags that people have been searching here most commonly. Aside from all this entertainment that people do, they also use these platforms to actually reach out with their products, right? So as you can see, this is actually an online store, a person who's selling some handmade custom iPhone cases. As you can see, 626,000 views, right? So, and remember, this is an online store, meaning you can reach people from wherever they are and basically make some money from that, right? So drive your traffic for free. And as you can see, there's a bunch of videos of iPhone cases, and these people are basically promoting. Either it's through affiliate marketing, basically where they get a commission for selling these iPhones, maybe from Amazon, or they have their own Shopify store, right? So their own drop shipping store. So obviously, just set up your TikTok account, put link in the bio, and then start sharing some awesome content, and make sure that you are using all the relevant hashtags, and just keep on sharing that engaging content, and basically you start having people interested in your product going to your Shopify store, right? So that is all we basically had in this video for you guys. And remember what we said, the third and fourth quarter are basically the best time to make sure that your online store is up and running, and basically that will be the best time for you to scale, even going into paid advertisements on these platforms, which basically just posting your ads on this, or you're posting your post on these platforms, right? Whether it's on TikTok, or it's on YouTube, or Instagram, you just post it and then reach even more people during that time, because you have this money that is already coming through. that is already coming through you from these free videos that you are sharing every single day, right? So obviously consistency is going to be key if you want to build this and actually want to make it work, because without consistency nothing will ever work. But if you keep pushing and actually putting in some effort into this, you will end up making those sales day in, day out, right? So if you got any questions, you can always leave a comment down below, and we'll even do a longer video where we go deeper step by step. Here we just give you an overview of everything that you can do, put it together, and if you just go a little bit deeper into this, you will see that it actually makes sense. It actually works out, right? So as we said, in the next video we also have more content on dropshipping that is going to be helpful for you. So make sure that you subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and once those videos are out, you'll be notified and you'll be able to get some knowledge out of it, right? So with that being said, thank you very much for watching this video all the way to the end, and we'll be seeing you on the next one.